welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and then click the notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. So today I'm going to be trying finger coils for the first time ever. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I've seen some results, and what I've noticed is that it just looks like it gives you a lot of shrinkage. And so even if I have, you know, this much hair, it's probably gonna shrink up a lot more than my normal wash and go, but I'm just gonna see what happens, you know? So I'm gonna get straight into the video. This is what I'm starting with. I will let y'all also know I already applied this avocado moisturizing hair milk by Mio Organics. I really like this stuff. It's super moisturizing, and to me it's like a leave-in. So since it's already applied through my hair, I figured all I have to do is really section my hair and put a gel on it, and I should be pretty good to go. That's my train of thought, you know. I know this is supposed to be a longer process, so that's why I just want to roll right into it, and hopefully it turns out good. Like, comment down below, pause the video, comment down below, and let me know how you guys think it's gonna turn out. Just, you know, don't cheat, just go ahead, take a second. I think I'm gonna do a side part. Definitely gonna do a side part, actually, but I'm just gonna section the front kind of like that. Trying to decide how big I want it to be. I'm just gonna add some water. I'm thinking if I do them too big, I can kind of take them apart and still have that finger coil look. That's just my train of thought. Like I said, haven't done these before on my hair, so I don't even know how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so my gel of choice is going to be the Wetline gel. I just feel like this gel does a really good job of adding shine to your hair. And that's what I want, and also making it defined. You know, gels define, they do that. So that is going to be what I'm using. Is this a good section? I'm not really sure, but we're gonna see. If it's too big, I'll just, you know, do less. So I just added the gel. I'm gonna, you know, brush through it, make sure there's no tangles. And then, so I'm just gonna start at the root and twist really tight so that it won't just unravel itself. And then I'm gonna continue to twist. Continue, continue, continue. So that's one. Like I said, if this ends up being too big and it looks ridiculous, I will just let it dry and then piece it apart and just unravel it a little bit. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll see. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The key is really to twist your hair at the root so it really doesn't unravel. You don't want to do all this work for it to unravel. Do a little detangling. Mind you, y'all, my hair is wet. I'm doing this on wet hair. And I already added my leave-in, which is actually a hair milk, so yeah. I wonder how bad my shrinkage is gonna be. I just know it's gonna be something serious. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little thing, it's gonna shrink up. But I'm just gonna fast forward while I do this section and come back when the section's done. Okay, so far, this is what it's looking like. What do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 in the back. Just gonna wind it up a little more. So I'm not really, you know, taking a certain size section, just this looks appealing to me. So I'm like, I'm gonna go for it. But we turn around, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I did not go crazy with the parts in any sense of the word. Okay, this is definitely a bigger section, but I'm just gonna do the same thing. So, like I said before, I'm gonna brush through my hair. Actually gonna add some more water to this. I hope this turns out cute, like for real. This is definitely more work than a wash and go. But I'm kind of slick. It's weird that I haven't tried this before. Okay. It's really important that your hair is detangled, or else when you're winding your hair around your finger, you're just gonna increase the tangles in your hair, and then it's gonna be a nightmare when it's wash day. So just don't do it. Okay. Then I'm just gonna add the gel, honestly, to this whole section all at once. Trying to be efficient so I can just go crazy with the finger coils. Okay, so right now it's 6:30, so we can kind of get an idea of how long this process is going to take me. I'm hoping not too long. These finna shrink up something ridiculous. I can already tell, cause they wet and they're not even hanging. They're not hanging, not like my wash and go. Ooh wee. I wonder if there's a way to stretch these, cause if there's a way to stretch these, guess what I'm gonna be doing? Stretching it, because I like length, honey, length. Okay, y'all, I severely underestimated how long this process is gonna take. You know what I'm saying? This is what I got so far. But now it's time to do these sections. Whew. Oh, by the way, it is almost 7:30, so it's almost been an hour. I just did not think it was gonna take that long. I fooled myself. You know, it's probably a good thing I fooled myself, because if I didn't fool myself, y'all probably wouldn't be getting this video today. So yeah, I'm gonna just continue doing the same process that I've been doing, which is adding water. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and just come back when it's done, because this process is pretty repetitive. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. So I just have this section in the front, and y'all, I will never underestimate how long this process is again. I won't do it to myself. Yo, can y'all say shrinkage? My hair is so shrunken. I saw this coming, I did, but like, it always gets me every time. You would never know how much hair I actually have. So this is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I have no idea how long this is going to take to dry, but I'm just gonna sit under the dryer and then I'll be back when I'm done. If you want to know how long it took me a little bit under 2 hours, about an hour and 50 minutes. So now I'm just gonna go sit under the dryer and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, y'all, so after my hair dried, it looked ridiculously shrunken. So I went ahead and I used these bands. I just basically did the banding method, but on these finger coils. And we're gonna see if it actually stretched it some. I sat under the dryer with these in my hair, but I waited until my hair was dry before I sat under the dryer. I know, does that sound confusing? So basically, I sat under the dryer, my hair dried, it was really shrunken, and then I took the hair bands and banded it and sat back under the dryer for about an extra 15 minutes. So we'll see if it worked or not. I'm hoping it did, because it was just too little. It might work a little bit, but still gonna have major shrinkage. Oh, much better. Y'all should have seen how it looked before. I forgot to show y'all how it looked dry. But yeah, this is actually much better, weirdly enough. Okay, so this is what it looks like after stretching. I am gonna fluff it out a little bit, like separate and everything. So this is just what it's looking like.